Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. You guys are watching Crystal's Deep Tarot, and today I'm going to do the love and the general messages for the sign of Aquarius for the month of September 2021. So watch this video if you are an Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus sign, or if you're dealing with the one. And keep in mind that these are the general readings, so they may or may not resonate for all of you. If they do not do, you can check any other placements. And also keep in mind that the energies may go vice versa, so take what resonates, and how it resonates in your situation. So let's see the love messages for the sign of Aquarius for the month of September 2021. All right, so the overall energy for the reading is Three of Swords. So maybe you're heartbroken over something. Somebody might have played with your heart or something, I feel, because as I look at the energy of this reading, so basically there was, maybe you were in love with some person where there was a lot of competition, but still you maintained your ground. You fought for your love, and although you felt that there were so many people, with whom you had to compete in order to be in that relationship, but still you maintained your ground and you fought, and you tried to maintain your position. And I see that in the present moment, there is that grieving energy because of the deception. Maybe somebody has cheated you, the person whom you were dealing with has cheated you, and it has left you in the grieving energy, and probably you're not even looking at the things that you have in your life. So there, I think you're not looking at the things that you have in your life, and you are simply focusing on the spilled milk, and you are crying over that and really feeling yourself helpless and hopeless situation. I see, yeah, as I said, that somebody has sneaked out of the relationship, and you actually thought that person to be your soulmate. So this is the reason why you are in so much of grieving energy. You thought that this person was actually dealing with you only, and but the reality was maybe they were dealing with multiple parties, and maybe you caught that, and that is why it has left you in such a grieving energy, and they have simply escaped out of this relationship. So I see that you find yourself stuck, as if you can't do anything about the situation, and you find yourself, as I said, helpless and hopeless. You can't you find yourself, as if you cannot escape the situation, and you have been a victim of the situation, and you can't do anything about it. So this is what is happening with you at the present moment, and this is what is your attitude. Now I see that in the coming future, the somebody might approach you, or your person might even approach you, as I feel that soon they would realize your importance, and they would actually realize that you are their soulmate, and they really want to spend their life with you. And I see that in the coming future they might approach you. So I see that this person might approach you, and basically you are showing yourself, although you're going through this phase because of the deception that you face, but you are not compromising on your looks, and you are further working on it, and maybe you're going to gym and taking very good care of yourself, and in order to beautify yourself, and you're showing up as if you don't care, right? But inside you, I see that you're grieving, but you're showing up that you are no less than a man, and you don't need somebody to complete you. So you are becoming and working on being more attractive, and I see that this person is coming back, as I said, in the near future, because they are realizing your worth. They're realizing that you are their soulmate, and the other person with whom they were dealing probably is not whom they want in their life, and you're expecting things to go very fast. This is what you want, but the things might go impulsive that way. So I would just say that you're expecting a communication, but make sure that the communication, whenever you communicate, it's not impulsive. Don't go very quick, I would say, because this is a person who does the things first and then thinks. So don't do that. I would say that use your reasonings, use your logics, and then take a step ahead. So I see that in the coming time, you will get a chance to work on this relationship. So whatever foundational issues were there in this relationship, once this person comes back, you will be getting a chance, from the universe to work upon it, on building the strong foundation, so that just the way the relationship had crumbled, previously, right, in the recent moment, as you can see, the relationship is not working. Something made the things difficult, and I see, that you will be working on building stronger foundations in the coming time, so that such thing doesn't happen again. Uh, so I'll clarify the tower here. Let's clarify the tower. So as I said that earlier, multiple parties had got involved in your situation, and which left you in such a, confused state of mind and standing at the crossroads. So, this healing of this thing will happen, and you will get a chance from the universe to heal it, basically. So this is a card which gives you an opportunity, in where your universe is giving you the opportunity to heal, basically, and build your foundations again, correct? So I think, whatever happened in the past, there would be a period when you'll be working on that to heal that situation, basically, so that you don't end up in the situation once again. So I'll draw some oracle cards for you now. So let's see some oracle messages for you, Aquarius. Your dreams need a practical plan. Be bold and make the first move. Believe in the impossible. So yeah, your dreams need a practical plan. Maybe you are a lot in the grieving energy, and you know that this person, keeps, coming and going back, coming in and going back again and again. So you keep maybe giving chances to this person because you believe that this person is your soulmate. And you need to be bold and make the first move. Just step out of such a relationship. Don't be bound with such a person for the sake of being in a relationship, because if you do that, for time being, when you move away from this relationship and you take care of yourself, I really believe that this person will come clean, right? And you will get a chance to work on this relationship, but for this purpose you need to really work on yourself. And if this relationship is not serving you at present, so just step out of this relationship. Just don't get stuck onto the past and make your life get stuck into it. Rather than that, just move out of such a relationship. And because if you really want to be this person, then you need a practical plan for that, as I said, right? So yeah, if you do that, of course the things are going to happen the way you want, because you need to believe that the things will happen, right? So that is what I have for you for today, Aquarius. I hope it helps and resonates. So if it does resonate, do comment in the comment section and let me know how well this reading resonates with you. And do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.